Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to the last session of chapter number 3, How Many Squares? Before proceeding further, let us revise what we did in our previous session. You had learned how to find the area of a rectangle by the number of squares occupied by it in a grid. Then you learned the formula to find the area of a rectangle, which is L into B, where L is the length and B is the breadth. Finally, you learned to find the area of a curved figure, where we count the full squares as 1, more than half filled squares also as 1 square, ignore less than half filled squares, and count 2 halves of a square as 1 square. Try triangles. Here you can see a rectangle having 2 triangles, red and blue color. It is given that both the big triangles have the same area. Find the area of these 2 triangles. It is also given that the blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. We can see from the figure above that the blue triangle is half of the rectangle. How to find the area of these 2 triangles? To find the area of these 2 triangles, first we have to find the area of the rectangle. So, to find the area of these 2 triangles, let us first find the area of the rectangle. Each square is of 1 centimeter side. There are 2 ways to find the area of a rectangle. The first method is by counting the squares of this rectangle. You can see there are 20 squares in this rectangle. The area of each square is 1 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of 20 squares will be 20 square centimeter. The second method to find the area of a rectangle is to use the formula. The formula to find the area of a rectangle is L into B, where L is the length of the rectangle and B is the breadth of the rectangle. Here the length of the rectangle is 5 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 4 centimeter. So the area of this rectangle will be 5 centimeter into 4 centimeter, which is equal to 20 square centimeter. Now we know the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is 20 square centimeter. Can we now find the area of the blue triangle? Yes. We know blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. So, the area of the blue triangle will be half of 20 square centimeter. That is, the area of the blue triangle will be 10 square centimeter. Now, what is the area of the red triangle? We know the area of the red triangle and the blue triangle are same. So, the area of the red triangle will also be 10 square centimeter. Earlier, we calculated the area of the red and the blue triangle which was drawn on a rectangle. Here you can see two rectangles, orange and green color, over which a big red triangle is drawn. Now find the area of this red triangle. How to find the area of the red triangle? To find the area of the red triangle, first we have to find the area of both orange and green rectangles. Some portion of the triangle is in the orange rectangle and some portion of the triangle is in the green rectangle. To find the area of the red triangle, let us first find the area of the orange rectangle and the green rectangle. The orange rectangle contains 12 complete squares and the green rectangle contains 8 complete squares. Each square is of 1 centimeter side. The orange rectangle occupies 12 squares. So, the area of the orange rectangle is 12 square centimeter. The green rectangle occupies 8 squares. So, the area of the green rectangle is 8 square centimeter. Now we have calculated the area for both the orange and the green rectangles. Can we now calculate the area of the red triangle? Yes, we can. Let us see how. The area of the orange rectangle is 12 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of the orange portion of the triangle will be half of 12 square centimeter, which is equal to 6 square centimeter. Area of the green rectangle is 8 square centimeter. Therefore, area of the green portion of the triangle will be half of 8 square centimeter, which is 4 square centimeter. So, we can say the area of the big red triangle is 6 square centimeter plus 4 square centimeter, which will be equal to 10 square centimeter. Complete the shape. Suruchi drew two sides of a shape. The left side figure. She asked Asif to complete 2 more sides so that the area becomes 10 square centimeter. So, he completed the shape like this, the one shown on the right side. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Let us see how. The area of each square is 1 square centimeter. Let us now find the area of the green portion. Remember, Suruchi drew 2 lines. You can see 2 full squares here, number 1 and 2. So, the area of these 2 squares will be 2 square centimeter. You can also see 4 half-filled squares here. 4 halves will make 2 complete squares. So, the area of these 4 half-filled squares will also be 2 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of this green portion will be 2 square centimeter plus 2 square centimeter, which is equal to 4 square centimeter. Now, Asif has to make 6 more squares to make it to 10 squares. the area of each square is 1 square centimeter. We had already calculated the area of the green portion. The area of the green portion is 4 square centimeter. Now let us calculate the area of the yellow portion, which is made by Asif. You can see 3 full squares here. Number 1, 2 and 3. So the area of these 3 full squares will be 3 square centimeter. You can also see 3 more than half filled squares here. As you know, more than half filled squares will be taken as 1. The area of these 3 squares will also be equal to 3 square centimeter. So the area of the yellow portion is equal to 3 complete squares plus 3 more than half filled squares. That is equal to 6 square centimeter. Now the area of this whole 4-sided polygon will be equal to 4 square centimeter, that is the green portion, plus 6 square centimeter, that is the yellow portion, will be equal to 10 square centimeter. Here is another polygon which was made by Suruchi. The area of this polygon should be 10 square centimeter. Is she right? Let us see. Each square is of 1 centimeter side. There are 2 portions here, green and blue. We have already calculated the area of the green portion, which is 4 square centimeter. Let us now calculate the area of the blue portion. You can see 2 full squares here, number 1 and 2. So the area of these 2 full squares is 2 square centimeter. You can also see 4 more than half filled squares. As you already know, more than half filled squares are counted as 1. So the area of these 4 more than half filled squares will be 4 square centimeter. So the area of this blue portion will be 2 full squares plus 4 more than half filled squares, that is 2 square centimeter plus 4 square centimeter, which is equal to 6 square centimeter. So the total area of this shape is area of the green portion plus the area of the blue portion, that is 4 square centimeter plus 6 square centimeter, which is equal to 10 square centimeter. So we can say Suruchi is right. Make your own tile. These are some simple tile patterns. Try and make a tile design on your own and make a pattern using your tile. Trace the shape to repeat it on a page. But remember, there must be no gaps between them. This is an interesting activity which you can try. In this session, we have learned how to find the area of a polygon by counting squares in a grid. Then we learned to calculate the area of 2 triangles drawn in a rectangle by finding the area of the rectangle first, then to find the area of the triangles by keeping certain points in mind, like count the full squares as 1 square centimeter each, more than half filled squares also as 1 square centimeter each, Ignore less than half filled squares and count 2 halves of a square as 1 square centimeter each. That's all for today, children. We have come to the completion of the chapter number 3, How Many Squares. Revise what we did today. Take care. Bye.